10 practical tips for buying secondhand furniture for your home. Shopping for secondhand furniture is a less costly way of furnishing and should be considered for many reasons. Aside from it being an inexpensive alternative, it's also good for the environment. They are also great if you are into antique furniture or even if you like DIY projects. You could bring new life to the furniture. But buying used furniture can sometimes be a gamble, especially if it's your first time. That's why in this video, I will go over 10 tips and strategies to make sure you're getting a bargain for your buck. If you are new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the post notifications for more real estate tips. First, remember what items never to buy used. Before you run off looking for good places to buy used furniture, here are some items you should never buy used. Used mattresses, heavily used upholstered furniture, anything that smells, high-priced items. There's plenty of options when it comes to buying used furniture. Be sure to explore all your options before buying anything, as you may find a better deal someplace else. Some places you could look include thrift stores, Goodwill or Habitat Restore, Instagram and Facebook Marketplace, apps like Craigslist, Letgo, Carousel, Nextdoor, and OfferUp, yard and estate sales, consignment shops, and auction offices. Make sure you measure the items. Do not eyeball anything when it comes to furniture. It doesn't matter what type of furniture you may be buying. You wouldn't want useless furniture decorating your house. Look at tags and labels. Doing this can help you avoid spending on something you can get for a better price. If you encounter a brand you're not familiar with, do some research before making any decisions. Try looking for durable materials when shopping for used furniture. Furniture made from hardwood, like oak or maple, is often more durable and has a more solid construction. Unlike softwoods, hardwoods are more difficult to chip or deface over time. Look for any signs of damage, as this may cost you more in the future to repair. Do the sniff test. No matter how pretty or cheap, smelly furniture is a deal breaker. Make sure you smell the furniture before buying to prevent any future problems, as some smells are impossible to remove. Check for bed bugs. Bed bugs can survive many months without eating, so they can survive a warehouse or facility for a long time. Inspect cracks and corners for any dark spots, red streaks, old bag skins, or actual bugs. Make sure you try all the furniture before buying. There's nothing worse than finding out a piece you've come to love at the store doesn't work after you bring it home. Be prepared to have to take your own furniture home. Not all sellers are willing or even able to help you carry or deliver secondhand items. It's important to have a plan on how to get it home. If you have any questions or if you're interested in buying or selling a home, please call us. The Garcia team is always happy to help.